So, sad story for you guys. So, I actually had a video of me putting all of this together so far. Um, However, the files on the SD card here on my camera somehow became corrupt. So, if you guys want to see a video of me setting all of this up the way I did, then let me know. I'll make another one because I still have 2 more cases to go. So if you want to see a video of that, then let me know. I'll put one together. But so what I've done here is I've glued all of my plastic pieces that I've 3D printed. I've already test fit everything it'll all fit right in here. So we're going to be setting this up as a server case mining rig. So still got some more info to come on it. Already have one put together in the mining factory, so I'll show you guys a little bit of that. And if you guys want to see some more content like this, then comment, subscribe down below.